There are very few apps that become popular among every age group. WhatsApp is one of that kind. While you would be aware about most of its features, there are common hidden features that you might not be aware of. Coming up next in Tech Popcorn.
This simple trick will allow you to read incoming WhatsApp messages without letting the sender know that you have read it. Simply add WhatsApp widget and you are good to go. There would not be any blue tick until you open that chat. Gone are the days when you were to wait for hours at a place for your friends. Share your live location and your friends will be able to track you in real time. You can set the time limit up to 8 hours. Stop sharing when you want to. This can be used as a great safety feature nowadays. Instead of selecting image from gallery, add it directly from documents and the attached image would carry actual properties with it. The trick is applicable for images, games or other files as well. While there are apps like Stylistext to support numerous fonts, try the new font styles without using any third-party app to show your boldness. Add asterisk before and after your message to change font to bold. Similarly, add similarity symbol to cross the whole text. Try jumbling the symbols sometimes and check what happens. Time to impress your love in style. What about sending a pumping heart for her? From emoji section, add 3 hearts, then send. Now add 2 hearts, then send. Now add single heart and send. See your heartbeats for her. Delete extra hearts if you want. Adding 1 heart and then giving it some space, text the beating heart back. I just saved your time. Create a new group and add the person you think has blocked you. Check the participants afterwards. If you can find the person, you are safe, else you are blocked. Create a new group with any random friend. Give the group a decent name. Now remove the added friend and group is your personal bookmark manager. You can save links or whatever you want to keep a copy of. Choice is yours.
Now with the addition of delete feature and launch of WhatsApp UPI integration, there is no doubt that WhatsApp is going to become more popular. The way the team is analyzing the market and approaching towards users, this is kind of amazing. Comment down below which feature of WhatsApp you like the most. Subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Now with addition was a scientist. Subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Subscribe to my channel right now.